I wonder why I wasn't angry at the person that abused me. Right. But as I get older, it makes sense. It makes a lot more sense. I wouldn't be the person that I am now if it hadn't been for that. You know? Something that's taboo in the Black community. But I realized I had gained something that was more valuable. I wouldn't be who I am. It allowed me to see notice the cycle that goes on, you know, because I guess I was thinking like, who did it to him, you know? It's kind of like passing the buck, you know? So I know I took it kind of, I was gonna be the one to stop it, you know? Certain things reincarnate to heal certain things and wounds within our family line. You know? So I had to realize I gained, you know, something. My soul wanted to experience those things for a reason. I'm honored. Nature was a big part of my healing. You know, I used to get upset.
I was really a teenager. Adolescent, he was really hormonal.
When I was a kid, I used to just take off running. It'd be 9, 10 o'clock at night. You put on a good song, I just take off. So, you know, walking and running has always been good ways of releasing energy. But nature, when I think of the word, I think about nurture. Right? A woman's embrace. You know, whenever I had that shamanic experience and I was in the presence of something bigger than just me. You know, that presence felt feminine, felt warm. You know, I just kept hearing the words nature or garden. And I realized I felt better being outside. I'm like, But it didn't, it was years later, you know, throughout my healing journey that I really was like, man, I feel better being out here. And I saw how we were connected to nature. The bees, man. All this pollution, pesticides, and certain things that go on in the environment, they don't like that. You know, we have to share this plane, this planet with other beings. You know. I saw just how connected everything was. We are not separate from nature. say Heavenly Father and Earthly Mother. In ancient Egypt, they understood the role of the woman, or the power of the feminine. I feel like I incarnated this go round to see that. You know, to really learn more. You know. Even though I had to work on my masculine, I was more in tune with my feminine because of my grandma. Like that's what's really missing. That granny love. That and everybody in the neighborhood would come eat at granny house. All in. You know, like they forced us to live in a construct that had everybody like thinking it wasn't enough for everybody. And I've been learning. This is something I've been working on in my own, experience. Like thinking there wasn't enough space and then the star for everybody to shine. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Like when it comes to those generational curses, like people don't really talk about how hard it is to, like I was trying to get rid of certain thinking patterns. Because why would you want to make yourself experience, the negative? But I started to notice, like, if it wasn't for the negative, there'd be no positive. It's the yin and yang. So I started venturing into. So I'm on my journey. I realized, like, the darkness is where you find the light. Like it's like certain parts of my shadow were like trying to like, hey, check this out. check this out. Yeah. So I like what Willow Smith posted the other day. She said, so it's like a dance. Or yeah, she was saying I can't remember, hold up. You can act like it's a something. Or you can act as if it's just a dance. That made me think like, like you here. We're here. Enjoy it. It's like I didn't feel as though I was like worthy of it. I thought what happened to me when I was younger was my fault. I didn't realize, but subconsciously I was thinking like that's on me.
But now it makes sense that on a higher plane,
and like
I perhaps chose to experience that. Hence why I thought that.
Sure. Not to sound like a victim or nothing, but I had to really come to terms with like what happened, and why it kept recurring to my mind.
Something let me know I wasn't the only one. You know? Yeah. If I didn't say it, just whenever if you just go touch grass. Love you. Peace.